everyone, I am Dr. Amila. Today I am going to explain how to do self-face oil application. This is very sensitive and effective treatment for the face skin because skin has a good blood supply and it's directly related with the brain through the blood circulation and nerve system and our special sense organs also in face. That's why this treatment very important and it's very sensitive because some substances cause to easily skin irritations. And when we select the oil, you have to be pay attention about your skin. If it is more dry and rough, we call it is water prominent skin. This is the best treatment to convert into smooth skin. And if your face you feel acne is full and more reddish, more sensitive to other substances, your skin is pitta prominent one. When that condition, you have to select cooling effect oils like coconut oil, sesame oil, and special medicated oil like Pinda, Oil. That kind of oil give cooling effect to your face. And if your face more copper prominent, it means more fluffy, more cool, more sensitive to temperature, it means you are copper prominent face skin. When that condition, you can't use more oil. When you apply oil, you have to take very little amount of oil. And to that, you can use coconut oil, olive oil, and especially Pinda oil. If you have normal skin, no problem, you can select your oil according to your flavoration. Pinda, Neeladhi, Narayana, Nirgundyadi like special medicated oil or coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, sesame oil also you can use to your face. If you can't find oil, you can use aloe vera to stimulate your face with these techniques. It helps to stimulate your face. If your skin irritate easily or if you have skin lesion, it's better not to use oil. Even without oil also, you can use these techniques to strengthen your face, skin and face muscle. And when you going to do this face oil application, you have problem, is it okay to do it daily? If you use this oil application to medical purpose, you have to follow advices of your doctor. In Barberyn, we use face oil application with Pinda oil. It do it regularly, daily. It means we here use more relaxation movements and very gently, smoothly motions to face. That one you can do regularly because in the daily routine, one step is oil application of our body. Because of that, you can use this oil application techniques slowly, smoothly, gently, daily. When you're going to apply oil, you have to clean your face and hand properly, and you have to sit in comfortable area with comfortable position, and you have to be relaxed to do these techniques. Okay, now we ready to apply oil. Here I am going to use Pinda oil to my face. It means Pinda has an effect to glowing face. In Barberyn, we use Pinda oil for face application because Pinda oil good for skin. It gives more nourishing to our face and glowness to face. And it has no allergic reaction usually. That's why we use Pinda oil for all of you. Okay, we going to apply oil to our face. We start from mid of neck to under the ears, mid chin to under the ears, mid upper lip to side of eyes, side of nose to side of eyes, mid forehead to side of eyes. Again, mid neck to under the ears, mid chin to under the ears, upper lip to side of eyes, side of nose to side of eyes, mid forehead to side of eyes. This step follow for 4-5 times. Start from side mid of the neck, through the cheeks, through the nose to side of eyes. Then again mid neck to side of eyes. This kind of way you have to do 4-5 times to spread this oil. After that we going to give little pressure to our fingers to stimulation to facial muscles. We start from neck. We give little pressure to neck muscles with fingers, side to side motions. This one also you can do 4-5 times slowly, gently. Then hold your one hand on chin, then move your other hand to side of eyes. Then press this special point. Generally we call it temporal point. Change your hand and move your fingers again mid neck to side of eyes and press your temporal point. This step also you have to do for 4-5 times slowly, gently. Can start from the mid of the neck, through the chin, through the cheeks to nose. Then give circular motions to your nostrils and that motions continue up to end of the eyebrows. Just below the eyebrows, stimulate that point and hold your thumb and index finger on your eyebrows and give pinching movements to eyebrows. When that finish, again press your temporal point. Again mid neck to side of eyes and press temporal point. Mid neck to through the cheeks to nose. Circular motions to nostrils. Go backward up to just under the eyebrow point. Press it and give pinching movements to eyebrow and press temporal point. Again mid neck to temporal point and press it again. This step also you have to follow for 4-5 times. Start from the mid of the neck, through the cheeks, through the nose, go to the forehead, one hand hold on head, then give circular motions to forehead side to side. When you go one side, press that temporal point and go back again to other side and press that temporal point again. To forehead, you can apply little bit more pressure than other sides. This step also you can do 4-5 times. Immediately after forehead treatment, you can press your orbital area with ring finger. Give circular motions above the eyebrow 4 times. Then under the eyebrow 4 times circular motions. Again 4 times above the eyebrow, 4 times circular motions to stimulate your orbital area. Then you can press special points. First mid eyebrow point with one finger with circular motion, then in between eyebrows with one finger circular motions and upward stretchy movements with two fingers of two hands. Then again mid eyebrow point of other eyes. Then you can press special points. First mid eyebrow point with one finger with circular motion, then in between eyebrows with one finger circular motions and upward stretchy movements with two fingers of two hands. Then again mid eyebrow point of other eyes. This is a special point in between nose and first upper lip. Then lower lip point, and that stimulation you can continue until your end of chin. This step also you can do for 4-5 times. Then we going to give fermentation like motions to our face. To that we use back side of our fingers. First side of nose to side of eyes. Upper lip to side of eyes. Mid chin to under the ears. Mid neck to under the ears. Side of nose to side of eyes. Upper lip to side of eyes. Chin to under the ears. Mid neck to under the ears. This step also you have to do for 4-5 times. Then we are going to give stretchy movements to our neck, to the neck muscles. We give stretchy upward motions with our fingers to strengthen our neck muscles. Side to side, this kind of way we can give these motions. This step also you can do 4-5 times. Slowly, gently, you can do this one. For daily practice, we can stimulate these few points in our face. Temporal points, it's located on temple area. We can identify it with ourselves. Immediately after eyebrow, one finger breadth lateral, you can feel this point. Another point is located on mid eyebrow. You can identify like this. Another important point located on in between eyebrow. We call it is third eye point because it is very good for mental relaxation. Next important point is located on below the nose, and other point is below the lower lip.
We'll look which ingredients make Pinda more special to us. The first one is Valmadata. It produces the specific color for the Pinda, and the second one is Valmi. It produces the copper balancing properties for the oil, and the next one is Haldumula. It gives the fragrance for the oil, and this next one is Iramusu. It produces a cooling effect for the oil, and the last one is bee wax. It gives the strength to the oil. And the for the as the base oil we use sesame oil. It's with the yellow color. Pinda mainly balance the copper and pitta doshas. Now we'll look what are the other benefits you can achieve from Pinda oil application. First one, you can use it as a moisturizing oil. In dry skin purposes, therefore, without any doubt, you can use Pinda oil application. And it's also having high amount of anti-inflammatory action. Therefore, you can use it for allergies, sunburns, and skin irritations. And it's also having of benefit of tight your skin well. Therefore, you can use it as a solution for skin wrinkles. And it's also having with antioxidant properties. You can use it for your anti-aging benefit as well. Hope you all will enjoy with Pinda oil application and get all these benefit into your skin. Thank you.
So, Dr. Amila has shown you the face oil application, what you can do yourself, and Dr. Gayan has also showed you the oil that we use for the face. Pinda oil is what we have used today. In fact, for myself, I use all kinds of very expensive brand name herbal oils on my face, Clarins, Dio. But in the last 2 months, since the lockdown, I have finished my clarins. So I asked the Ayurveda Medical Center, and they told me, Miss, why don't you use Pinda? And I have used Pinda, and I have found it as good as all the other oils that I have used, if not better. And Dr. Gayan told you how the red color comes, the basis of that oil, and now you know how to actually apply it yourself. Valmadata is the herbal material, it's a creeper, and that is what gives that color. In addition, we put iramusu, we also put haldummala, which is a resin, and the rest of the ingredients. These three oil applications that we showed you, the head and the neck application, shoulder, the hand oil application, and the face oil application are part of the daily routine, dinacharya as we call it. In Ayurveda, we have dinacharya, the daily routine. We have the ritucharya, the seasonal regime, and we have sadvruta. Sadvruta is the spiritual content of your day. And for that, we have also showed you some chanting from the Buddhist scripture. We showed you the Ratana Sutra, the sutra that the Buddha explained and recited at a time when there was a pandemic. And you also know from Barberyn that we have two other sutras. We have the Mangala Sutra, which is the blessings of life, and we have the Metta Sutra, Karaniya Metta Sutra. These are the three main chants that we chant all the time. At Barberyn, in all our resorts, we now chant in the morning. At 7 o'clock, we all chant. Some of us gather in the dining room, and the rest of the staff gather wherever they are, and we chant. And we must have chanted in the dining room, maybe unbroken, about 80 days. And at the end of the chanting, we sit and relax and try to focus on our breath for 5 minutes, for 10 minutes. And those of us who chant in the dining room have found that the dining room now has a special vibe, a special vibration. It's a good place. And when we sit for 5 minutes, we can easily connect with the breath. There are many aspects to the spiritual part of our daily life, for our long life. But today, I would like to leave you with a little concentration, focus, just seated and relaxed. Next week, we will do the yoga, pranayama and asana, probably at Barberyn Beach, and we will let you know. But same time, Sunday, same time, same link, we will be there, so you can connect with us. So to close this session, I would like you to sit comfortably wherever you are. And this is the most simple spiritual activity that you can do. Sadvruta. Close your eyes and let us focus on the breath. You can focus on it for 5 minutes or as long as you like, and I will leave you quietly in about 5 minutes. Bring your attention to your breath. And see how you breathe in and you breathe out gently. Just relax.